Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a NOTCOIN, not USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. I can't be happy even if almost after the year the price drop in my zone of interest. Yes, when I posted the video, so you can go and check this video 8 months ago. I posted this first video price target. So it's a daily time frame. Take a look. It's just the beginning, So here it was on OKEX, this first candle, May 16. And we trade around here. I market the zones. People laughing, so how you can identify the levels only with one daily single candle, right? But guys, it's initiation accumulation pump model, and believe it or not, but this model works. And unfortunately for us, yes, the NOTCOIN dumped to the first zone of interest. Imagine almost after the year, 8 months it took to drop to that zone again. And I a million times explained to you, I rather be all the time wrong, but make money at the end, than I just be right, but just waste the time. I can't be happy, because I understand a lot of people stuck in during all this downfall. 8 months, a lot of people hop in here, not fix profit here, for example, and stuck in this token. Somebody hop in here, somebody here, and I totally understand. Some people made the same mistakes, and I'm not talking about I'm not buying this type of tokens, but I'm stuck in other tokens. For example, I'm stuck in Polkadot. I'm stuck in IOTA. So yes, IOTA. So because I'm invested, IOTA introduced some solution for European Union and all of that fundamental crazy stuff, and I hop into IOTA, and I'm stuck in that. Let's say fundamental project. Yes, I truly believe that IOTA will bounce, like the NOTCOIN will bounce. But guys, I can't be happy when I'm right, but all market is bloody. So we are not playing the game who's right, who's wrong. No, I rather see the market all the time green, right? But unfortunately, it doesn't work like this one. That's why I posted the video and warned you the main zone of interest. So this was on OKEX. Zone of interest, a little bit different zones, because all the time the listing price different. So zone of interest on OKEX, it's starts 0.2042, 0.2034. This is the first zone of interest where you can start only now. Start accumulate NOTCOIN. I truly believe this token will bounce again. I'm not sure about the new all-time high for NOTCOIN, but yes, we got all chances. But anyway, we will bounce. And I would like to show them how high we can bounce. This is a chart on a Binance. So I will analyze also on the Binance, because take a look, the listing price 0.3077 on OKEX was 0.201. So it's lower price targets on Binance. We can analyze even here. And around here, the people laughing. So how the NOTCOIN will drop to this area? It will never happen. Guys, in crypto, never say never. Unfortunately, the market makers just mostly distribute their bags, and dump the tokens after listing all this last 3 years. Yes, unfortunately, that's why the initiation accumulation pump model during the cycle, this cycle works perfectly well, and this model can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. It's not necessary so all tokens should dump to that blocks, right? But if they will, you save a lot of nerves, a lot of time, and when you just start accumulate tokens in these blocks, this one and this one. If you're new on this channel, I highly recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with that model with the tokens after leasing. And yes, when we get only one first daily candle close, it works. It works just because it works, because it's algorithm. It's not because it's just magic. No, guys, you have to know the market makers, the exchanges, they use the bots, they use the soft, and they program it. The soft, how low, how high the price should move, right? And what we can't know the timing. Yes, so that's a problem. So believe it or not, now, once again, everybody now in total disbelief, in total depression, but believe it or not, sooner or later, we will go and sweep at least this liquidity pool. Now the logic, if you wanna accumulate this token, for example, you're new on this channel, you never buying the crypto, you're not stuck in NOT, congrats, now you're in a fresh page, and now you can start accumulate this token if you do your own research, and you wanna invest in this top game, and you believe in some altcoins. Got it. So you can accumulate now with the targets. Targets will be. First one, it's a 27 block. This is a block where we need to fix some profit. Based on this strategy, we can accumulate here and fix profit 121. You should withdraw initial deposit. So I explained for newbies, what we can do now based on this model, right? What you should do if you're stuck in these areas, I have no idea. No, guys, because not all tokens will hit the new all-time high again. You saw the visualization now over than 35 million tokens. So there's not enough liquidity to pump all of them to new all-time high. So if we dump to 61 level 0.203392, you can buy in here, fix profit at the same levels. If you, for example, buying here, we going down, you buying here, we going down, you not touch the token, you start add limit orders, second one to this one. So you got 4 limit orders, for example. And your average entry could be like 0.2027. Got it. From that entry, like an average, it can be 250% profit. If you believe, so this token will go lower, because we can't know, maybe the NOTCOIN will stop it now and bounce. We can't know the future, guys. We can't know the timing. We work only with the zones and own decision to buy now or wait lower or skip this token. I skip this token, no matter how low the NOTCOIN will drop. For example, you want to buy in here. It's going to be 322%. If we drop to the last zone, and I would like to explain why it's a last zone, what is under, it's 440%. The bounce can be almost 1000% to this liquidity pool. So believe it or not, but sooner or later we will sweep this liquidity pool over than 1 cent 84. So matter of time. Invalidation, guys, this strategy, invalidation of this idea, if the token dump on the listing price. On a Binance, it's 0.3077. In this case, this model can be invalidated like this one. Yes, after that we can bounce, but the model and the rule of this model is invalidated. That's why, guys, I highly recommend you all the time when you see some token listed, you have to understand the marketing works, the influencer works, and they all shield you to buy this token because we're going to the moon, and it's all the time like a trap. It's not a trap, it's a false. Because they need to shield you because they got an allocation, they got the fee, the rewards, the benefits from exchanges. So guys, I know how this market works, and I got messages also from exchanges, so I know how this market works. Invalidation, I showed you the zone of interest, I showed you what you should do. Now it's only up to you. Because I'm not providing any advices, any suggestions, any signals, guys. It's your money, your decision. I just share with you free content, what you can adjust to your trading strategy. And if you watch it, the first videos here, after 3 days after listing NOTCOIN, you knew all zones before. Everything what you have to do is just wait. Just wait. If you're new on this channel, I will show you also the indicator set. And what I use is my personal custom indicator set, what I use for the traders, for trading, for investment. The goods and moment also, this is order flow. So like from my previous videos, so sooner or later we will bounce and close at least 50% of that order flow. The bullish case scenario, if we will hold the line here, fix profit here, and go into a new all-time high. All targets, I explained it before, so this is just updates. Take a look with my custom indicator set, what else do now with the NOTCOIN. Only now we out on the weekly time frame from middle line, so we got a lot of room for dump. So that's the point, guys. So the people can dump and dump and dump and dump, and I'm more than sure insiders got a lot of wallets, different wallets. So it can be the same person, the same group of people with a million, just not a million, of course, with 100 wallets. And they hide these tabs on chain. So we not understand it's same guys. So this project got like insiders. No, they hide their steps. So this is still a free on a weekly time frame. Unfortunately, direction, no signal to buy, nothing, no signal for accumulation. Daily, of course, it's a capitulation, but guys, daily is for mostly for intraday. And now we can start even form that awareness. It's going to be the good one. But anyway, so take a look. This one and the crazy red dark color, they start accumulate. So they start accumulate because it's a accumulation zone. Got it. Of course, it's a capitulation, depression. It's some small accumulation on the direction indicator. But guys, it's not what we're looking for a reversal move. We need to see some crazy capitulation on a weekly. Money power on a weekly. We track it weekly. Here, finally, only now, some money start inflow into NOTCOIN. How to work with this indicator set, I highly recommend you also go and check free educational tutorial. Trade on, no data, no signals on weekly. Daily, here, buy, bounce, sell, recommendation, close position, drop, buy, back, buy. I mean, it's good. It's good. So sooner or later, I think, yes, we will see the reversal move, but I need some time. Take a look with take profit. Take profit on the weekly. No data. Daily. And we around fundamental value of this token. Fundamental value of the last line, it's for NOTCOIN now 0.2034. This one. Take profit line, sooner or later, believe it or not, once again, we will bounce again and test this line. So here, like we tested from the buy line to take profit line, we reject it and drop it down. 12-hour time frame. Here, what is bad? We try hold the line, the buy line on 12-hour time frame, but fundamental value going down, going even lower, 0.2029. For alts, all of that like cycle looks like a just extended bear market. So unfortunately, guys, so accumulate now or wait the fundamental value on 12 time frame. It's only up to you guys. All targets I showed you, highly recommend you. Just in educational purpose, just go and check first video for NOTCOIN to understand the logic. How do I build the logic and why exactly these levels, how it works. So what I can't know the timing. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer Krasa, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.